What's up, what's up, what's up, everyone? It is Jani. Welcome back to my channel. I am grateful that you are here. And in this video, I'm going to drop 5 things that any DJ anywhere can do to become a better DJ. That's right. If you're looking to level up performance or business, I'm going to share with you 5 ideas of things that you can do that cost $0 to become a better and more successful DJ in the future. This topic was sent to me on Instagram. And if you have a topic that you'd like to have covered here on this channel, be sure to hit me up on Instagram at Jani. And just share with me your question or the topic that you'd love to see on the channel. I'll do my best to wrap it as long as I have something valuable or some perspective that I think could benefit someone listening to what I have to say. This topic was a result of someone reaching out to me asking for some help. And they just basically said, I'm looking to build to the next level. What are some things that I can do that don't cost a lot of money to move my needle forward, to do more, to get more opportunity, become better in this business and at my events? So I thought I'd wrap this whole little video up for people looking to push the needle forward. 5 things that any DJ can do anywhere to become a better DJ. The first thing is always remain a student of the craft. I think it is super important to always keep your mind open, your eyes open, your ears open, and to always observe what is going on. Platforms like this never existed before, and platforms like YouTube have endless amounts of information from people that have a lot to offer. Whether they're tips on performance, whether they're techniques in terms of scratching or mixing, there is so much that you can seek out and learn from right here on this platform alone. Then you have groups on Facebook, you have video content in different places, you have things that you can read on platforms like Reddit. There is so much that you as an aspiring DJ or someone that's looking to push your company forward, your personal career forward, can seek out and learn from. Always be a student of the craft and constantly look for new material to help you become better as a DJ, as a business owner, whatever it is that you do in this industry. Number 2, for people that are crushing it at events, is spend some time reorganizing your music. Yes, I know everyone has their own way of doing things, but there is a number of things that any DJ or every DJ can do, like remove duplicates, remove unplayed files, remove corrupt files, work on tagging, work on creating new routines, new crates, new sets, new things that you can play out next time you're at an event. You can watch vlog style footage here on this platform and pull content that maybe you're not playing at your events, just so you have an experimental folder of things that you can work on. Organize your music for the win. That's this tip right here. Number 3 is about practice. Practice, practice, practice. If you're looking to excel in mixing and scratching and playing music, to be a better MC, you're going to need to do the work outside of events. And whether that's you in your house, in your studio, in your garage, at the company you work at, spend some time blending music. Spend some time learning a new combo, a new scratch, a new technique. If you want to excel in any part of performance in this industry, you have to invest your time by practicing whatever it is that you need work on. And if you are already pretty proficient at something, you still can always sharpen up your tools. You could still focus and become a little bit better, a little bit tighter, a little bit sharper. And that's real talk. So set up your gear, work on blending, work on mixing, work on dropping on the one, work on maybe simple scratches or maybe combo scratches, work on scenarios or things that maybe you've seen at events that maybe you've struggled with, and try to come up with a plan so that that doesn't happen to you in the future should that same type of scenario arise. Work on playing music. I think that is the key. Practice, 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 and do your part to become better in the performance of this craft. The extension of practice comes to tip number 4, and that is record and listen to your sets. I like to record and listen to my events. I like to listen to how I made announcements, what I can do to maybe become a little bit better with my wording and more effective with my wording, with how I maybe introduce something. And I also like to listen to my sets. Did I feel the crowd go flat at a certain point? Let me listen to what I did. Could it be better? Could it be more effective if I maybe switch some songs around? And just listen to how the events roll out when you are working. Record your sets, listen to them, and look for little areas of opportunity to become better. Record your sets, listen to them, and look for opportunities to grow. The 5th thing that you can do that doesn't cost any money to become a better DJ is work on your relationships. I know this might sound crazy to some people, but relationships make this world go round. And I think the better relationships you have with different people in your local industry, your local area, the better off you are. So if you're a private event DJ, reach out to the halls that you work with all the time. Reach out to them, check in with them. Also, ask them for advice on things that maybe you can do to improve the working relationship or to make the events better from their perspective. Keep your ears open and write down notes of what people are giving you. If you're friendly with some photographers or cinematographers in your area, reach out to them, connect with them, and start to engage in conversation. Try to build a real relationship with them. Ask them what you can do to become better. Ask them what they've seen from other people that they really liked. Really take your time to build relationships, because relationships really are the key to unlocking the doors at the end of the hallways that we are all walking down. Relationships make this world go all the way around, and I hope you understand that. So that's it. 5 tips that cost $0 that any DJ can put into play, become a better DJ. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I have another video that I'd love for you to check out right over here. Be sure to tap into that video, check it all out, and please hit me up on Instagram if you have a topic, an idea, or an area that you need help with regarding your DJ business on Instagram at Jani. Thanks for watching.